Yeah, hello guys. This is Drone Effects with my final and last review of the Drocon Blue Bugs 3. Um, I was able to get a flight in Saturday, which I will enclose in this clip. As far as I'm concerned, it's one amazing fun drone to fly. It's fairly robust. I've literally had it 3 feet in the air and chopped the props, and obviously it was in grass, didn't hurt it. It flies around well. It handles well. In the video, you'll see I had one issue. I almost put it in a tree. That was operator error because of I just flown my DJI drone prior to, and sometimes drones react differently. But I was able to get it. Saying when in doubt, throttle out, and I was able to get above the tree, and I saved it and landed it with no problems. I of all the drones so far that I've done, this is the most fun drone to fly. It is the most robust, fast, speed wise. My only, now I'll get into the things I think they should do. I think they should have three models of this drone. They got one with the GoPro mount, which is the one I'm reviewing. They got one that comes with a camera, that you can order or I think they should have one set up for FPV mode with the camera and goggles, because you can order a kit and convert this to an FPV drone. It is a fast drone. I'm amazed with the flight time. I was getting 16, 17 minutes doing what I was doing. I wasn't really working the drone, obviously, but I was getting good flight time with it. It's just a fun drone to fly. It handles, if you fine tune the trimming on it, play the trim on it, it'll almost hover there just like a GPS drone will. It's just an utterly amazing drone for the money. $100 or less, you can have this drone. The Bugs 3 Blue is only available through Drocon.co or Drocon.co.uk, and it's the only places you can get the matte blue finish version. The drone that I had here has been a great drone to fly. I'm gonna regret getting rid of it, but it is gonna go to a new home here upon this review. And but it's been a great drone, a fun drone to fly. I'm looking forward to the next one that they send me. I'm hoping it's going to be the Traveler. Just because of the looks, it's a very unique drone also. But if I had to go rate it between from a scale of 1 to 5, I'll definitely give it a good 4 with no problem. I don't think it's quite the 5, just because my only, like I say, my only drawback, they should have a third model that should be all set up with FPV stuff, and that would be a great way to go. Because for the money, it wouldn't be that much. It would probably be well under a $200 drone, even if they was to do that. But that being said, you guys need a drone. Get the Bugs Blue 3 from Drocon.co or Drocon.co.uk. You can order it through. Thanks very much for listening in. At the end of this video here, I'm going to post the exact video that I put out there. Very little editing. One of my friends come down when I was flying, kind of talking. You can hear him in the background, and you'll hear me say about me almost putting in a tree. So feel free to watch the video now and enjoy your day. And I will post a link to the Drocon website in the description of the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Oh, I really am. Just fly around a little bit. There we go. Coming down. Not cooperating with me today, guys. There we go. I recovered it. There she is. I got her back now. There she comes. There she is. Yeah, I had a little bit of problem with it at first. There she is. All else fails, go for altitude around trees. I almost put it in the tree. She does fly good, guys. Wonderful flying drone, really is. You can win this drone! There it is, guys. The Drocon Blue Bugs 3. Landowner. This is a giveaway drone.
Oh, you giving it to me?
I'm doing reviews on them. Oh. This is my final review of it. So I got a camera in my head. Yeah, guys, this thing is a fun flyer. For the money, less than $100. You can put a GoPro on it. You can put an FPV mode. Everything. See me almost put it in a tree? I did a flip in the air too, because I chopped the power when it was coming down and I caught it.
If somebody mowed their grass, you wouldn't have them tell weeds.
Well, I was going elsewhere, but it's too buggy. Even the bugs are here a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
This is, you have to fly this drone. It's all stick control like an RC airplane. There's no altitude hold or no nothing. This is the last flight before I do my giveaway, and I almost put it in a tree. That would have been a good one. So I was over top of this tree behind me. But I recovered it. So guys, this is my final flight and thoughts. Very cool drone. Well worth the money or the lack of money. You can go to drocon.co or drocon.co.uk and order one. They're right around $100. You can order it with a camera, or you can get it without camera and use your GoPro in it. So. You can see I'm working it. It's not like my other drones. I actually have to fly it.
Thing climbs crazy good.
Wow, oh dear.
It's got 4 brushless motors on it. Well, there ain't no weight to it. Right now I'm just trying to see. It'll give me 2 beeps when the battery gets low. That's what I'm doing now, is I'm going for battery time. About 15, 16 minutes it's been averaging, so we'll see. Crazy. This thing's fast too. I'm not even flying the potential that you could fly it. It does flips and everything else, but I'm not gonna flip. I actually did flip it in the air because I chopped the power,
Oh.
and it flipped in the air, but it caught itself and righted itself too. I could play around with trim and get it. I just like the rate of climb it does. Man, this thing goes up like a rocket.
Now you have to be able to see it, right?
Right. Yeah, this one here right now, because I had no camera, so it's all line of sight. It's all line of sight. There it is, guys. Drocon Blue Bugs 3 Blue. He must be doing something. Thing's crazy. I flew this morning and after you used to flying my other drone, and it just ain't the same.
Takes some getting used to.
Yeah, but it's fun. You can go sideways with it, just like like my drones. You can fly sideways. Orientation is good with it. And when I get done with this flight, it gets boxed up, then I'm going to do a giveaway and give it away. There it is.
What do you think, huh? What do you think?
He said, I don't like when flies drones because then it cuts into my golf cart ride time.
Oh, okay.